How to get mysterious fossil in Travel Island. So first up, you're going to want to locate the beach bucket producer, as you can see in this logo here. And once you do that, you need to keep using the beach bucket and eventually it'll produce the mysterious letters like the one you see here. These are rare, so make sure you secure them in your inventory until you reach 4 unique items. So once you got these 4 letters, you need to merge them to get 2 treasure maps, as you can see here in the middle. So with these, you'll be able to reach the special mysterious island right here. And once you get the mysterious island, you need to tap on it to get the first half of the fossil, as you can see here, and some nice resources. This will unlock a special mystery order. And once you do that, you will need to fulfill the mystery order in order to get the second piece of the fossil, as you can see here. And once you do that, you need to combine the 2 fossil pieces, and you will finally get your mysterious fossil. And once you do that, you will complete the order that requires you to get a special reward. And that is how you get the mystery fossil in Travel Town. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.